All right. This is the next project I've been working on. It's a belated Christmas present. It's what Ryan wanted. It's a desk for him to work at. It's made out of the 4x4s are pine, the 1x, 2x, yeah, 2x2s right here on the side, and on the top, cedar. And when you take a look at the desktop, that is mahogany with a line of pine right down the middle. And I plan on staying in the mahogany, that same Bombay mahogany face bed was. But I'm taping over that pine, and I'm going to put a couple of coats of shellac on there, and then this is going to be shellacked. And once again, put this together with pegs and got a little bit of a gap, but I'm going to try to tighten that in with some more dowels. But yeah, he asked what did he wanted for Christmas, and Ryan said, since I was making Faith a bed, he would like a desk. So, and this is to the dimensions that he wanted, but the entire design, once again, it is mine. Over here is another cedar 2x2, which is going to run in between there. It'll be kind of a footrest for him, and I'm not gluing that in. I've got some braces that I'm going to set into there, and so that he will be able to kick back, rest his feet on it while he's doing some work. And right here on the side, when I'm totally done, I'm putting on a power strip bar that also has some USB ports on it, so he'll be able to charge his computer, charge his phones, whatever on the side. So it'll be a working charging desk. So looking forward to getting this done, and hopefully get this to him when he's getting ready to move into his new home. So that's all for now.